Take a ride in the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.